front of the Guy Harvey Resort here on St. Augustine Beach. As you can see, there's plenty of free parking here, so I don't have to worry about finding a place to park. It's hard to believe this resort is 151 rooms. It just looks small to me. And there's parking on the side. And they have their own little gift shop, a little clothing store, and things of that nature inside. And right here is their on-site restaurant called Santiago's. The pool area is back here with the beach access. And I'm going to show you this area back here. They have this portable heaters in the little sitting area back here. Cool place to hang out in the evenings. Yeah, see this, guys? There's a little... They have cabanas back here in the corner. A little tiki bar. And they serve food here as well. But I think it's off season for food. And they have a little fire pit right here. Let's take a look at the pool. There's the pool. And there's your beach access over there. Let's go take a look at the sun's rising. Let's go get some footage of the sunrise. It looks beautiful. Alright guys, we're out here at the Guy Harvey Oceanfront Resort in St. Augustine Beach, Florida. I'm going to give you a quick room tour. This is a kids suite, kids standard suite. So here we go. Got your little closet area when you first walk in. This little foyer area. And here's the bathroom. Cool little built-in light in the mirror. That's about the only thing this bathroom has going for it. You got your single sink with hardly any space. As you can see, we hardly have anything here because, guys, if you're spending a week here, good luck trying to find out where to put all your stuff. Luckily for us, we're just spending 2 nights. And here's your tub shower combo setup. It's just your basic tub. Pretty disappointing with the bathroom, but you know, it's just your standard small bathroom. And over here we have a cool little full-length mirror. I mean, that I like. And you got this desk here, a pull-out desk with a cool little wicker chair. It's actually kind of comfy. Yeah, check this out. Oh, it's pretty big. You can get some work done here if you plan on working, but I don't work in hotels, but some people do. And you got your little coffee Keurig And yeah, here's the bunk bed setup. And we got Heather poking her head up. You know, here's just your basic. These mattresses are terrible, so you know, luckily your kids aren't gonna have back problems. You know, like us adults have, because there's no way I would sleep in that. But there's no light here. You know, but I guess it's cool if you have, our kids are grown, but I guess it's cool if you have young kids. You have this partition, you know, which gives you some privacy from the kids. And here's your queen bed. And, you know, I lay in this for a few minutes, but the jury's still out. I don't know if I like it or not. I don't think I do. But over here's your 44-inch TV, and you got your fridge, microwave set up here. And Heather was just saying, I don't think there's a safe in the room. Or at least we haven't found one yet, so just a heads up, if you're carrying valuables, guys, you just gotta be careful. You know, there's plenty of room for your belongings over here. There's plenty of closet space, but overall, you know, I just get the feeling that this room is so small. And we didn't get a balcony, we're just overlooking a parking lot. So keep those closed. Yeah, overall, guys, you know, we came down here on a whim to spend Christmas, and we decided last minute, and this is all we could get, so, you know, it is what it is. But we're just glad to be down here spending Christmas at the beach. But, you know, with the price we paid, it's not worth it. But, you know, book in advance. You know, I don't have to tell you guys that. Book in advance and get yourself a better, cheaper room. And also in St. Augustine, this is the time of year where they have the Nights of Lights, and hotel rates are a little bit pricier because, you know, it's a big event. So, like I said, we're just happy to be down here. So it's just, overall, it's just a basic room. And it's tight, it's small. And I should mention that all the rooms are pet friendly as well. So that's a plus if you're traveling with your little fur balls. You know, the rooms are pet friendly. So that's it, guys. There's your room tour.